Hey everyone, welcome to the Back to School Night virtual edition. I'm Clay Lyle and just going to talk about our web design class here real quick. Again, I'm Clay Lyle. Email, this is the best way to contact me, clyle@psdschools.org. So if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to shoot me an email. Real quick, just a little bit about me. I actually graduated from Rocky Mountain High School, just came back to teach last year, so this is my second year back. I'm really excited to be back at Rocky again. Before that, or after that, depending upon how you look at it, I went to Colorado State, got my undergraduate in marketing, worked at Decibels for 3.5 years as a marketing manager, did a lot of stuff with digital marketing, the website, so really excited to be teaching web design. I'm currently pursuing my MBA online at UT Permian Basin, so I know what it's like to be taking online classes because I'm doing some now. So hopefully I can relate to students a little bit there. Weekly schedule. So this is kind of what most weeks will look like. Right now it might look a little different just while we're getting up and running. But once we get going, we're going to kind of try to stick to this schedule. Monday, we're going to do a live lecture, notes, short assignment after, so it should be pretty quick there. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, we're going to focus on the website project, and then again on Wednesdays, look a lot like Monday. So idea there kind of being on Monday, we're going to, learn something about web design. We're going to probably in this individual assignment look at some other websites. And then I hope they can kind of take what they learn from that and apply it back to the website they're creating. So website projects always been a really fun one for kids. So I'm hoping that this group has a lot of fun with it as well. We've had some really awesome websites come out of this class. So I think that's a really, really awesome project that we get to do in here, and definitely one of the favorite projects I get to teach. On Fridays, that's just going to kind of be a catch-up day as needed. So if, for whatever reason, the individual assignment was taking a little longer, or they want to work a little bit more on their website that week, that's what Friday will be for. Grading. So participation discussions, we will have some just kind of basic discussion type questions every once in a while. That's roughly 10% of the grade. I don't weight any of the grades. This is just kind of based off of past experience about what it averages out to be. Those individual assignments will probably be about 40%, those Monday, Wednesday assignments. And then the big project, which is broken out into smaller pieces, that ends up being about 50% of the grade. I'm going to be using Google Classroom, so hope most students should know that by now. I hope. If not, there's probably a bigger problem there. Teacher learning pages. These are a new thing that we're using some this year. So if you want to look at these, it's a good place for parents to kind of view information. You can go to the About Us tab on the Rocky page, scroll down to teacher learning pages, and then you'll find this page, go over to web design. Can find out more info here, description. If you want to look at the unit calendar, that's just kind of what we're covering each week. Big, broad picture there. If you want to, this is going to be more detailed, what assignments are due, when they're due. So if you want to look at that. It won't show an assignment though until it's posted, so just know, if you go out, if you go out further, it's not gonna show anything new. So yeah, look for that. Thanks everyone. If you have any questions, again, best way to contact me is my email here. And yeah, looking forward to class this quarter. Thanks.